Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've.
Hello, I'm Dogozobia, and I will be trying out the charcoal bio products for my face as I suffer a lot from oily skin.
Hello, I'm Nolunelo Shongwe and I'll be trying the pore cleanser as I suffer a lot from dirt and impurities.
We will be trying out the anti-blemish cleanser.
And we will be trying the pore cleanser.
We will also be trying out the face mask, which is self-heating and it works in a minute.
We'll also be trying the pore strips.
When the wind of the fire that we begun, every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind. Cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the evening falls and I'm left there with my thoughts and the image of you being with someone else, well, it's eating me up inside. But we ran our course, we pretended we're okay. Now if we jump together, at least we can swim far away from the wreck we made.